The campus, located in Houston's East End, boasts a number of diverse clubs, including piano and guitar, art, drama, and cheerleading. The school also provides an enriching learning experience with courses like computer studies and STEM. In fact, the school has a partnership with the University of Houston for a very unique after-school program called the St. Elmo Brady STEM Academy. Dr. Henderson spearheads the effort and stopped by Cage while we were there to explain how it all works.
The St. Elmo Brady STEM Academy is a hands-on after-school STEM program where we train undergraduate STEM majors at University of Houston to go out in the second and third ward communities to facilitate hands-on activities, right? And so for each of our sites, or so schools or partnerships, so Cage is one of those sites, and we send 3 or 4 UH students after school, and they're doing top-notch STEM activities with the 4th and 5th graders.
Dr. Henderson tells us the program focuses on introducing or reintroducing students to hands-on STEM projects that align with what they're learning in the classroom. To learn more about this after-school program, contact Cage Elementary.